rolling already, and you're already causing us a problem here. All right? Please.
Yeah. All right. I'll be quiet.
You're my special guest here. Listen to me. No,
Okay,
I'm kidding.
I will.
I'm so happy to have you here, man. Everyone, Jason Nash, he is here. First thing, look at this hair. Are you even human, dude? You literally look like better than my mannequins.
Both of my grandfathers died with full heads of hair.
Oh my God, this hair is.
I got really lucky.
This is unreal.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shave your head.
No.
Julia, she's on my team. Julia.
Hi, team.
Look, everyone. Julia's here.
Hi, Julia.
This is Jason.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Everybody
Nice to
knows
meet you.
Julia. She's my right-hand person. And yeah, she's going through some stuff here, moving. Right, you're moving.
Oh God, don't get me started.
What's happening?
I moved out of a house. I was living with 7 girls. You can imagine. It's like a sorority house. I moved out. I had to find an apartment. Now I found one. This is the worst part. It's on the 2nd floor. No elevator.
No.
It's like here. It's like here.
Oh yeah. Imagine trying to get a bed up there and
What?
a table, a dining room table, a couch. The headache is only beginning, but it's okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm excited.
It could be 6 floors.
6 floors?
It could be.
Oh, it could be the 6th floor.
At least
Exactly.
2nd.
You know what? See positivity.
I know.
I'll let
Trying.
you.
I lived on a 6th floor walk up in New York City once, so.
Oh.
That's brutal.
Yeah. It
Lot
was
of
good.
places like that.
But that was our workout. That was our gym. We didn't have to do anything else.
Yeah, that was my idea with them. I'm gonna cancel my personal trainer is done. No more of her. I pay her $150 for what? You know?
Yeah.
Don't say the word cancel around me, please.
That's funny.
Julia,
Right.
okay, we have to talk about his hair.
Yes.
Doesn't he look like literally a human mannequin?
Honestly,
His
yeah.
hair is
No,
so unreal. Let's do like the pop. When I cut your hair, I'm gonna do like the pop cutting.
Oh my
like Pop when I
God.
snip.
No, you really.
What
at his hair.
are you gonna do?
I don't know, man. It depends on what you will allow me to do.
I
To me,
I think
it's a little bushy in through here. Right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you like the more wild look or if you like it a little more neat and tapered in through here.
I like it like kind of short, and what I like is like sometimes they can cut some of the gray out. 'Cause
Yeah.
I don't like to dye my hair.
Yeah.
I like to leave this as the natural color.
Yeah.
But I would love if you can like
I can get rid of this,
shape
man.
it and
Yeah.
but don't you don't have to go to the bone.
No,
yeah, you don't have to
no,
go to the
no.
skull.
Jason, I'm gonna give you, and my viewers know, the best haircut you've ever had.
Yeah, Jeff's
Is Jeff
Jeff's
your guy?
look great.
Is Jeff your guy usually, or?
Jeff's cut my hair probably like 10 or 15 times.
Okay.
And then I think it got hard on Jeff because there's so many of us,
Right,
and it
right,
was
right.
like everybody was calling him for a haircut because he is good.
Yeah.
But so then I kind of just stopped calling him because but then Jeff would do this really funny thing. Like I'd go and I'd get my haircut somewhere else, and he'd be like, "What the hell?" And I'd be like, "I didn't want to bother you."
Well, today I'm gonna give you the best haircut you've ever had.
All right.
I'm gonna make it look amazing,
I believe it.
and I'm ready to go. So.
In my head, 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 in my head. my head, in 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 my head.
Is I used a number 2 guard, right, and I faded it up, going like a 2, a 3, all into this area. Even here, I did like a 1 just to kind of taper it down a little bit closer, and I try to keep it as natural looking as possible, but still somewhat cropped and neat.
Yeah.
So then I connected the back, going shorter to longer, to where this is probably about 2 inches long. The entire top is about, I'd say, 2.5, 3 inches long, and that kept that length consistent all the way to here, where this is about 3.5. No more than that, just because I want to have a little bit of length into the front. So a little trick is when you're a performer, like I've done a lot of people on Broadway and stuff, you want to have a focal point of the haircut. So when you're on stage, this is going to stand out the most because it's gonna really make your hair look that much better. Look at him already. The posture is better. He looks 13 years, 14 years younger at least. Mm-hmm. I look younger from this haircut. but yeah, so now the focal point is right in through here. So
I like that.
You know what I mean? Even though this is all nice, but
so people are going to be focused on this tonight and not my jokes. All right, listen. This is what I wanted to say. You promised me that this was going to be the best haircut I ever had.
I tried, yeah.
And so what I want to say to you is that this is 100% the best haircut I've ever had. Yes.
Oh my God, bro.
Yes.
That is amazing, dude.
And Jeff has given me some great haircuts. So.
But look at the texture
But
of this.
I do have to say, the texture in here, I mean, it's really It's really something.
I appreciate that, man.
It's quite perfect. And the focal point is really what I wanted to say.
I appreciate that. It means a lot, bro.
Yeah. So
when you sat down, I said, Jason, my goal. So what's weird, even filming, I don't care about the filming. I treat you as if you were a client.
yeah.
I want to give you the best, even with Jeff, anyone, the best haircut I could possibly give.
Yeah.
So, you know, I'm so glad that we were able to make this happen, man.
All right, guys, my haircut is done. Look at that.
Look at it. It looks amazing.
Salon Guy on YouTube. Steven killed it. Amazing
Thank
texture in here.
Thank
We
you.
learned about focal points. Go watch the video on his channel. And listen, I am not one to
You do care about your
think
hair.
I look good,
Do you
but
care about your hair? You have great hair. You must care about your hair. A little bit.
yeah, I care about it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm glad I have,
Yeah. Oh, rub it in, Jason.
Sorry, shit. I didn't mean it like that.
I know.
But no, this is really great, and I'm gonna feel great for my show tonight. So
Awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you, Jason, for trusting a bald guy. And I appreciate everybody
Steven.
watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, man.
I appreciate it.
Did you like the experience?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was totally like kind of random, and I appreciate it, but
I love the way you shoot it. It's like really free flowing.
it is, man. It is. So,
Yeah.
all right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Bye.